Hello, good friends. Welcome back to G Basic Maths, where we simplify mathematics. We have this simultaneous equation to resolve. Simultaneous means doing two things at the same time, okay? So we have this to resolve. And to get this done, first thing you do is to make this one to be equation one, then this is equation two. Okay, and there are three methods we can use to get this resolved. We have the graphical method. Of course, we can use this here, that one here. We have the elimination method, and we have the substitution method. Okay, the best one we can use to get this resolved is called the elimination method. We make sure we get one of them eliminated so that we can resolve the remaining ones. Then later on, we look for the one we eliminated. Let's go as we get this simplified. What we're going to do now is that we're going to use the coefficient of the second equation to multiply the first equation, and then use the coefficient of x in the first equation to multiply the second equation. And after that, we subtract and then we resolve. It becomes simpler. Let's go. So we're going to multiply the first equation by the coefficient of two of x in the second equation. So what we have now becomes 2 times 3x, or in bracket, plus 2 times 4y, or in bracket, equal to 2 times 50. Okay, that's still in equation one. Okay, then the same thing, we use the coefficient of x to multiply the second equation, and we have 3 times 2x, in bracket, plus 3 times 5y, or in bracket, plus 3 times 24, equal to 3 times 24. And we have 2 times 3x will give us 6x, plus 2 times 4y will give us 8y, equal to 2 times 50 will give us 100. Then 3 times 2 will give us 6x, plus 3 times 15 will give us 3 times 5y will give us 15y, equal to 3 times 24 will give us 72. Okay, having reduced it, this becomes maybe we call it equation 3. This is equation 4. Okay, but actually they are still same. So having done this, we are going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Simply put your negative sign. Okay, and this negative sign is affecting everything in equation 2. So it means that this one and this one will go. All right, so 8y minus 15y will give us negative 7y, equal to, and then you subtract this from this, you have your 28. Okay, have 28. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is negative 7 and negative 7. This and this we go. We have our y to be. Here is 1, here will be negative 4, and our y is negative 4. Then from there now we can simplify we can solve for the value of x by substituting this. So from equation 1, we can do that. You can pick any of the equations from equation 1. Okay, so we have 3x plus 4y equal to 50. Then anyway, when y is negative 4, when y was a negative 4, we're going to substitute. We have our 3x plus 4 times negative 3. Negative 4, because the value of y is negative 4, was 50. Okay, then we have a 3x plus 4 times negative 4 will give us a negative 16. Okay, it was 50. Then negative positive will give us negative. So we have our 3x minus 16 equal to 50. Then we collect like terms and solve. We have this. We have our 3x to be 50 plus 16. When negative is crossing, it changes to positive. So we have our 3x to be 66. We divide both sides by 3. By 3. This 3 and this 3 we go. We have our x to be 3 here is 1, 3 here is 2, 3 here is 2. It means that x is 22. It means in this equation, x is 22, while y is negative 4. And that is how it is simplified simultaneously, friends. Thanks for watching OG Basic Mathematics. Please do like, share, and also comment. And if you have not subscribed on our YouTube channel, OG Basic Maths, please do so. And if you have not followed us, please press the follow button. Bye.